In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a post URL in ClickFunnels 2.0. Whether you're looking to improve your site's SEO, adjust a URL for brand consistency, or simply make your blog post more user-friendly, changing the URL in ClickFunnels is a straightforward process. Let's walk through this step by step to ensure you feel confident every step of the way. To get started, you'll need to log into your ClickFunnels account. Once you're in, head over to the Workspaces section. The Workspaces area is where you'll manage different aspects of your ClickFunnels setup, so it's the perfect starting point for today's task. After navigating to Workspaces, look for the Site and Blog option. Clicking here will lead you to the portion of ClickFunnels that manages your site's content. Under the Site and Blog section, you'll want to select Blog. This will bring up a list of all the blog posts you've created thus far. As you browse through your blog posts, find the one whose URL you need to edit. Once you locate the post, click on it to highlight it. This will open up specific options related to that post. One of the primary reasons for changing a URL is to make it more descriptive or aligned with current keywords, so keep this in mind when proceeding. Next, click on Edit SEO and Sharing. This option is crucial as it allows you to modify how your post's URL appears, which directly impacts discoverability and shareability across search engines and social networks. A well-edited URL can be a game changer for your blog's visibility. In the SEO and Sharing section, locate the field where you can edit the URL slug. The slug is the part of the URL that comes after the main domain name. Make sure to type in your desired changes here. Remember to use hyphens instead of spaces and stick to lowercase letters to ensure the URL is web-friendly. Try to include words that are relevant to your content and audience. Once you've made your changes, it's important to review everything for accuracy. Double-check for any typos or mistakes since a broken URL can lead to 404 errors, frustrating your readers and harming your SEO efforts. Now let's seal the deal by clicking on Save and Close. This step is critical as it will apply all the changes you've made. ClickFunnels will automatically update your post with the new URL and you're all set. And that's it. You've successfully edited a post URL in ClickFunnels 2.0. Remember, the right URL is not only about looks, it's about making your content easily searchable, accessible, and relevant. Take a moment to navigate back to your blog to ensure everything looks just how you want it. Thank you for tuning in and happy